If you're looking for 21,700 cells at a decent price right now, Battery Hookup has a limited time deal going. They've got these things for as low as $1.75 if you buy 20, and they're $1.95 if you need a couple of eaches. So if you are looking to pick these kind of cells up, use the promo code HouseDadLife at checkout. It'll save you 5%. I do get a kickback for providing that promo code, or for you guys getting that discount, and that helps this channel make videos like this. Now, these cells are great if you're pulling apart an old battery pack. And at the time I pulled these out of a DeWalt battery pack, I couldn't get the 21,700 cells at a good price anywhere. It wasn't worth it. So I ended up chucking the battery. Man, I'm kicking myself now because the BMS still worked. I could have just bought these cells for $1 and change a piece, and I could have rebuilt that, what is a $300 battery pack, for pennies on the dollar. So here's the good thing about Battery Hookup. The good thing is you get great cells at a good price. The downside to Battery Hookup is it's not like a Walmart where you can always just go to an aisle and pick up whatever item that you want. Everything is like kind of limited quantity. It comes and it goes, so snap it up when you have a chance if it's something you're after. That's the downside to Battery Hookup. The good part of Battery Hookup is any cells I've bought, they're different cells, 18650s, and LTO cells that I built a battery pack of. They've been going for years now already, and I've had no problem with any of the cells that I've got. Everything that I've picked up from them has tested higher than what they rated it at. Now, for the record, I'm not being endorsed in any way to say the things that I've said about Battery Hookup. It's been a good company for me. It's worthwhile enough for me to even ship stuff from the US to Canada and have the forever wondering what customs brokerage and shipping is going to do with your packages. It's still worth the roll of the dice there. That being said, I haven't had any delivery problems either, if you guys are scared to take that jump. Anyway, hopefully somebody else out there that's trying to find these niche batteries or just odds and ends and stuff, it's going to help somebody. I know it, so that's why the video is going to the channel.